so that at the end of the day, we will be able at least to pick out how much is our expenditure at the end of this period and compare to the previous period. So let's look at the data. I have a small data here for financial information. Let me share the screen. Yes, here it is. This is my data for financial information. And there's something I wanted you guys to learn, that from our what do we call it? The level one part of this course, I've taught you some few concepts like the text function. I've taught you the date manipulation. So if you have been given this kind of scenario of this data, how can you use your knowledge of data manipulation to regroup this data, to rearrange this data, so that at least you come up with a presentable data, so that at least you come up with a presentable data. So we do first what is called mapping. You look at our data, we have the revenue. COGS is the cost of sales. We have the operating expense, depreciation, and what interest expense, taxes. But we have the revenue for for supermarket, groceries, retail, you see. But at the end of the day, when we are presenting an financial information, we present it as a consolidated financial statement. We don't present it as for supermarket, discounters. No, when you are doing financial presentation under financial modeling, you present it as the consolidated financial statement. So let's do some mapping here. I put this one, I select this one, click, I want to do this, put some filters. I think this one, I should move it here. So click data, put some filters. So let's do some small mapping. So here you just write a revenue. The revenue will pop up. Click OK. So you will see all the types of the revenue is this one. We have the revenue. So when doing a mapping, you just write revenue here, and Control C, you select down here, Control V to paste. Now, and then you go back to your filter. Then you can write another one. COGS is the cost of sales. So we have the cost of sales. These are all cost of sales. So we can write in full cost of sales, and also we can map this by copying and pasting here. Then we can go to another one, so interest, I don't know interest of what. We have interest expense. We can copy this interest expense and also paste it here. What else? I've saw something like D and depreciation, something like that. Here it is. Can copy this one and also paste it here. Paste it. I'm just using two shortcut keys, Control C and Control V. I have seen also operating expenses. Click operating expenses. Here it is. Then I copy this, Control C. I paste here. What is? We've seen something like taxes. We have taxes, so we can write taxes here. Taxes. Click OK. Here is the taxes. Copy this. We paste it here. Control C. Control V. I think up to that point I've exhausted all these variables. I've not seen any other thing we have left. So if it's we are done, then you undo the filter up here. You undo the filter up there. Click that one to inactivate. So if you look at now our data here, we have mapped our data. Here. This is our data. They don't have even the events unlike this one. So this one we can call it. So we can now rename our mapping and call the financial the financial, can call financial. So financial, he has just put that name financial. Now you see this data we can't present this kind of data. Look at the date. We don't know where is January, where is February, where is March, where is 2015, where is 2016. So it's a kind of these are data which we just extracted from your SAPs, your QuickBooks, your Tally. So you just extract it. That's why it is ungrouped data. So you want to make it at least a presentable data. At least a presentable data. This one you can control B to bold. And here we want something like what can we have something. We want this. We want to insert a column here. Just right click, say insert. We can write years. Can write years. Then we put another column here. Another column here. We put months. So that at least we can have something. We can have something presentable. Okay. So this one we can call it just call data, so that we don't have two financial. Can call datas. Okay, so let's extract now. You can see here we have years, So we want just specific 2016 and 2015. Remember, we are doing when you are doing data analysis, you might be doing the data analysis that is the forecasted data analysis. So forecasted data analysis, you will not be more interested on dates, just the month and the year. So we do, what do? We just put equal sign, then you write year, the one we have done in level 1. Then it will ask for serial number. So when they ask for serial number, what do? You click this serial number and then click enter. I hope what are you